Hello everybody and welcome back to tonight's video and welcome back to the channel. And tonight what I'm doing is I wanted to make a cake stand and I wanted to try and use some scraps I had laying around in the workshop. So I've got this little piece of sycamore here and that's going to make the top part. No, sorry, that's going to make the bottom, that's going to make the base. I have a bit of ash that will make the top tier. Now the stem for this, I can't remember what wood it is for the life of me. I've had it laying around in the shop for quite some time now. It kind of smells like cedar, but it's not. So anyway, now to sanding. Just flatten that off. So now to sanding, and this is Klingspor abrasives, and I'm sanding up to 240 grit. And there's the first coat of Hampshire Sheen pre-thinned sand and sealer. I did also add 2 coats of Hampshire Sheen high gloss wax. So now I'm just turning this this piece of wood, and like I say, the name of it's escaped me. It does smell like cedar, like as I said, but I don't actually know what it is. So I'm just using the mid-size finisher there just to get the shape I'm after. It is going to taper down, and I'm going to put a little foot on the bottom, because the idea for this is you have 2 holes in the rings and you put the rings over the top, so it's actually collapsible, so you can store it, you don't have to stay up permanently. There's the line, that's just giving my guide, and I'm also going to put a little tenon on this as well, so I can put it in the chuck in a little while. And now with the Easy Woods mid-size rougher there, it works well just for getting nice shapes and working round, flattening them all off, and then just coming back with the mid-size finisher there just to tidy up any little bits of torn grain, if there is any. To be honest, there wasn't. I just wanted to make sure I got it round. And now onto the detailer, just to shape the end, and then onto sanding. Again, up to 240, Yorkshire grit, and then 3 coats on this one of high gloss from Hampshire Sheen. And now, as you can see, I've had to put this back on because I forgot to put the hole in it. But this is where I have the brainwave. I'm now using Yorkshire grit to flatten it all off, and then realise that I should have put it on to hollow the bottom, hollow the centre out. And here we go. Now with the number 1 hollower. And now I am I am going to make a funnel on purpose this time. I'm already part of the funnel club, so why not do this one on purpose twice? There we go. Just pop through. Now I only have a 3mm tenon on there, and I'm using the wide jaws, so I can just tidy up the inside before flipping it round onto the cold jaws. And there we are in the cold jaws. And now all I'm doing is just getting rid of that tenon, or what's left of that tenon, and making a little recess for the foot. And just checking sure it fits, and it does. So now this is the ash. I was going to use the piece in the thumbnail, but that was a full blank, and I thought, why not try and find it? I knew I had one somewhere, and I found it, and it was this one. A little bit oversized for what I'm going for, so I do have to trim it down a little bit, but it's the right thickness. So now just flatten it off. And now working on the shape. Obviously, it's going to have muffins on there, little cakes, etc. Kids, what have you, they don't want to be getting any sharp corners on there. They don't want to be getting cut. So again, cling spar abrasives, again up to 240, and finishing the same method as before. There is a link in the description below for cling spar abrasives. Steve at SK Crafts has just become a distributor for those, and if you want some, give him a call, give him an email. Information's down below. So same process, just hollowing this little bit out. Got it to where I want it, and I've done everything the right way this time. Look at that grain, beautiful. I was actually going to colour the base, but when I saw all the grain on the sycamore and how it looked, I was just like, I can't do it. It looks like I need to buy some more Yorkshire grit as well. So there we go, all Yorkshire gritted, and flipping it round, just again repeating this process, getting rid of that tenon, and yeah, if you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, and if you stay to the end, you'll see the pictures and see how it turned out. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.